State worker who lucked out that this law didn't exist a couple years ago, Laurie Chapman. She faces up to 12 years in federal prison, and today we learned how the feds caught the Corrections Department official taking bribes. We also learned the company doing the bribing won't be in trouble. Here's News 13's Amanda Goodman.
Jessica, Laurie Chapman was the facilities manager for state prisons when she took more than $200 grand in bribes from a roofing company that wanted state business. That company got the prison roofing contracts and then helped the feds get Chapman.
In paperwork filed today, not only do the feds spell out their case to a judge for why Chapman should get the maximum sentence, they also spell out how they got her. Prosecutors say Anthony Moya, the owner of Omni Development of Santa Fe, was behind bars 2 years ago on an unrelated charge for embezzling money from a tribal gas station. It's not clear if Moya went to the feds or if they went to him. But either way, Chapman went to visit Moya in prison to come up with a story for why Omni gave her $237,000 to steer more than $4 million in prison roofing contracts to his company. The conversation was recorded, and that did her in. We've learned Moya doesn't face charges in the case. In the paperwork, prosecutors say he was by no means a victim, but that his company did do the work it was supposed to, and that Moya did help in the case against Chapman.
Chapman was fired by the state a year ago, a few months before pleading guilty in the case. Prosecutors want her to get the maximum 12 years when she's sentenced in 2 weeks, saying she tried to cover up her crimes even after she knew they were on to her. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Amanda, Chapman will likely have to fork over her $58,000 in state retirement money as part of her punishment. That money would have been off limits had Chapman not moved it out of her state account and into a private account.